Disha Singh. Welcome to the channel. Firstly, I want to give a warm greetings to all those NDA 2 and CDS 2 defense aspirants who are going to take the examination on this 4th of September. Best of luck to all of you. Just don't worry and give your best into the exam. And secondly, I want to announce that the new batches are going to be started from the first week of this September for NDA 1 CDS 1 2022 examination. So all those aspirants, all those students who wants to start their career or who wants to join the defense forces can come and join the Indus Rangers Defense Academy today and start preparing for the exam. And if you need any further information related to this, you can give a call on 9936404655. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy.